We believe that the current numbers being published from China underrepresent the true impact of the disease in terms of hospital admissions, in terms of ICU admissions, and particularly in terms of deaths.
Now, even so, what officials will admit is chilling. A senior doctor in Shanghai says 70% of that megacity was probably infected during last month's surge, which followed the loosening of most COVID restrictions. Now, one more is set to drop on Sunday. That will mean more travel to and from China. Lindsay Duncombe shows us what may be about to unfold.
Traveling to China is about to get easier, and that should mean business for travel agent Adrienne.
Because they want to go back China, visit their family and parents. Yeah.
Starting Sunday, Chinese nationals can return without the hassle and expense of hotel quarantine. A negative test will be enough. Another change, business visas will once again be processed. Tourist visas, not quite yet, but the message from the Chinese Consul General in Vancouver is clear.
We can ensure that everything is back in normal right now. Actually, in Beijing, in Shanghai, everything is back in normal. Yeah.
A complication to that message, COVID infections are high. These images from a Shanghai hospital don't exactly look like a tourism ad. Because of the surge in cases, travelers returning to Canada will need a negative COVID test, a move China calls discriminatory and epidemiologists question.
This new policy, which has been instituted in Canada and the United States and elsewhere, probably will have very little effect on disease transmission.
People who do business in both Canada and China say returning to what was once normal will take time.
You know, just because they've removed the quarantine restrictions, I don't think that we're going to see an overnight increase. I think it'll take several months, but certainly this is a very positive sign.
Before the pandemic, there were more than 50 direct flights between Vancouver and China each week. Now there are fewer than 10, and seats cost thousands more than they used to.
And that's so expensive. The price is so expensive.
Adrienne says eventually more flights will be added. After missing his grandma's funeral and being separated from family, he wants to be on one of those planes soon. Lindsay Duncombe, CBC News, Vancouver.